Zoomies! 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 Zoomies!
Knock it off, Mittens! Enough with the zoomies!
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry that I'm tending to my fitness. Gotta look after my rocking bod when I'm prowling the town. Maybe I've got enemies, you ever think of that? Maybe I've got to beef up the muscles. Are you gonna have me declawed as well, you treacherous cow? I thought that one of us should do something other than sit on their fat arse around here. See that treadmill, Diane? Like you, it's an ornament. It's been gathering dust since I came here. Or perhaps you expect me to use it and send me flying through that window. That's right. Shut it, Diane! Zoomies! 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.